welcome to Mindset Love. I'm very happy you're joining our guided meditation to boost your body and mind with positive energy. Find a comfortable position, either laying down or sitting up, and close your eyes. Bring awareness to your body and take 3 deep breaths, exhaling through your mouth. On your inhale breath, bring your energy, vitality, and life force into your body. On the exhale breath, feel as your body begins to release any stress, negativity, or fatigue. Allow it to drain out through your feet and let it go. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. With each inhale, bring more and more energy into your body. Feel the subtle vibration of energy coursing through your body from your feet to your head and your head to your feet, becoming aware of the warmth and tingling of every cell. Now start to visualize all the positive energy you have accumulated in your body and visualize all those energies shining as bright as the sun. Bring the shining glow of energy to your crown center at the top of your head. Breathe in and breathe out. From the top of your head, feel as the warmth of the positive energy begins to radiate down over your face and neck. Feel the lightness and peacefulness in your mind. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the healing energy now moving over your neck and shoulders, down your arms to your fingertips and over your heart center. Feel the warmth and love within your heart. Allow this healing positive energy to fill you with unconditional love. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the healing energy move down your body into your hips and down your legs all the way to your toes. Feel as the healing positive energy grounds you to the earth. Feel grounded, centered, and supported. Breathe in and breathe out. Your whole body is now filled with positive healing energy, allowing the positive energy to flow freely through your body. With each breath, feel this energy growing stronger and stronger. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Simply focus your attention on your breath and feel the positive energy flowing freely. Feel a clarity and alertness within your mind, energy and vitality within your body, and positivity and peacefulness within your soul. Allow this positive energy to truly awaken your soul. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay with your breath and these wonderful feelings as long as you wish for. Open your eyes and take this